While the library search looks similar to Google and other search engines, it functions a bit differently. Here are a few tips to help you search more effectively and find the research you need faster and easier. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. The first thing you can do to get better results is use specific keywords. For example, if you're looking for research about life in the ocean, you probably won't get very far by typing research about life in the ocean. The results screen shows plenty of sources, but not a lot that would be useful for someone actually looking for research about life in the ocean. This is because the library search doesn't read your question the way a person would. Instead, it looks for each word you type in certain parts of an item's record, like the title, author, or summary, and shows you anything that contains all of those words. That's why using short, specific keywords usually works better than typing a whole sentence. You can get better results by using precise keywords. Notice what happens when I search for marine biology instead of my initial search. The search results now include a publication called Marine Biology, some ebooks, and plenty of other sources that might be a lot more useful for my research. Another search tip is to use synonyms and related terms. For example, instead of just searching for marine biology, I might also try other searches with terms like oceanography or aquatic biology. Many scholarly sources use those terms, and library search only finds exactly what you ask for. So synonyms can help you discover even more relevant materials. A third tip is to take advantage of filters. On the search results page, you can narrow by criteria such as full text available online, publication date, source type, or whether the item is peer-reviewed. Filters help you quickly zero in on the most useful and credible sources for your topic. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.